how rainy that is. Bro, I did not even realize it could be raining like that. Dang.
That was crazy.
It could be. Wait, is it flooding? Wait, actually, is it flooding? I can see water. Oh, I can like see, dude.
See that, bud?
Wait, is it flooding for real? Yes. Excuse me. Oh. No. Oh my god, it's wet. Oh my gosh. Yo. Oh, hold on. Gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I'm recording right now. Can I just like go show them outside right now? Can I show them outside? Because I'm literally recording.
But it's wet right here, Papi. Can you go to the kitchen door?
The kitchen door?
Yeah, or no?
I can try. Mom, can
Now I gotta go get me some mayonnaise.
I go to the kitchen door so I can like, show them? Can I go to the kitchen door so I can like show the viewers? Okay. Excuse me. Oh! I'm trying to. Dang. Bro. How come it rained like that so quickly? So fast and so heavy. That's a hooter. No reason for the tra-la-la. My mother got all wet. Look. She's all wet right now, you guys. Oh my god. Everywhere. Even my cousin, too. Oh my gosh. Like and subscribe for more. See y'all later.